Hello, welcome back to my kitchen, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do my cabbage steak. So, let me get started. I got my cabbage already washed and patted, dry. And these little green leaves, I'm going to use those and make sure you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna use these green leaves here, and I'm going to put them on the bottom of my cabbage steak. If you would, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm just cutting a little small core out here. It's in the middle. Okay. So I'm just going to roll this up and cut it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, this is my casserole dish that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to spread these around the bottom of it. Okay, I got my oven already preheated at 375. I forgot to get my onion ready, so be patient. Just a few minutes. Okay, let me wash it off. Okay. And my seasoning is not going to be by measurement, but I do have basil, some sweet paprika, and I have some complete seasoning here, and salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So let me slice some of this onion up. And this just gonna go like on top of the green leaves here. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna season this also. Let me season it before I this is for my black pepper. And my pink salt. And all the seasoning that I told you about. I'm just going to season the cabbage because I'm going to lay my cabbage steak on top of this. And this is the seasoning that I'm using here. And just a little sweet paprika. And some basil. I want me a little parsley on here too. So this is not going to be by measurement, like I said. And just put your little olive oil on here. Okay. Now I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to cut my steak cabbage here. Now you leave your core in, and then matter of fact, yeah, I'm gonna cut it just like this. This is where I want it. Okay, cut this one a little more. Now, let me move it this way so you can see. Okay, now I'm going to take it and I'm just going to place it here. And then I'm going to put some salt. Some pepper. And all the same seasoning that I put on my bottom green leaves. Now I'm not going to season the bottom of this cabbage because all that seasoning is going to go right through it. Okay. And I'm going to put it in my oven for 45 minutes. And if I need to adjust my time, I'll let you know when I come back. I should have put my olive oil on it first before I did this, but I didn't. And now with my olive oil, I would brush it in, but I might lose some of my seasoning. So what I'm gonna do is take my a small spoon here and just go over it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the oven covered, and I'm gonna slice a few more pieces of onion to go on top of it. Just added flavor. Another layer of flavor. So I'm gonna do it like that. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in my oven with it. Like I say, maybe about 45 minutes. I'm gonna set my timer for it, and then if I have to adjust my time, I'll let you know. So when I get back, you will see my finished product. Okay, I'm back. Getting ready to take my cabbage steaks out of the oven. Let me adjust my camera for you. And I left them in there at least an hour. Because I like mine real tender when I do it like this. Okay, that's what it looks like. And you know, I had those green leaves, you know, I put up on the bottom of it. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna get this juice I got in here. What's left in here, I'm gonna just pour it over it, because there's some good seasoning in there. Just pour it over it. Okay. Okay, now sprinkle me a little, just a little parsley. Okay, and then now I'm gonna drizzle me just a little olive oil, just a little olive oil on top of it. Okay. Now let me let you look at it. See there? It's beautiful. And that's the little green leaves here I got on the corner that I chopped up and put on the bottom of it. Okay. I'm gonna taste it. Here to go. It's delicious. It's tender just like I want. Here your little onions here. You got your little, your little onions on here. My head is all over the top of it. Yep, they caramelized real good. Let me try this green leaf here. Ooh, it's delicious. Okay, so that's it. My cabbage steak. If you like the recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bon appetit.